If you're planning to stay in Brisbane for your next academic year, then allow us to introduce you to Scape St Lucia Student Accommodation. This residence boasts a diverse range of studios and shared apartments, making it a favorite option for those studying in Brisbane. Each room features a bed placed opposite a window, offering a picturesque city view in a warm and comfortable setting. Additionally, there's a study desk and wall-mounted shelf for completing assignments and storing your books. There is also a spacious wardrobe that provides ample storage for your belongings. The kitchen is well equipped with a microwave, cooktop, oven, and cabinets for organizing snacks and ingredients. Whether you prefer hanging out in the games room with friends, hitting the gym for an energy boost before classes, or handling daily chores in the laundry room, this property offers a plethora of choices. The campus is popularized by students from the Say Institute and the University of Queensland, both conveniently located nearby. Explore local dining options like Tokyo on Express or stock up on groceries at IGA Express, Brisbane CBD. For longer journeys, catch a bus from the High Street at Toowong, stop 14A, which is a nearby bus stop. Book your stay at Scape St Lucia through amberstudent.com and take the first step towards realizing your dream life.